Class 10, see question number 4 of chapter 24. It is written sin 70 degree, 17 degree equals to x by 9, x by y. Show that sec 17 degree minus sin 73 degree equals to x square by y root over y square minus x square. So when this type of question will be given to you, sin this much are given to you and you have to prove that this one is equals to this one. First of all, what you will do, sin, you will take this one, sin 17 degree x by y. It means it is given p by h, because you know some people have sin is p by h perpendicular by hypotenuse. So p is x and h is y. You have to find first what b. So what you will write, by Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. H is y, so y square. P is how much? X, so x square plus b square. Now y square plus x square will come, it will become minus x square, b square. Now this square will come, it will become root. So y square minus x square equals to b. Class 10, you do not put this root with this square, because separately with y we have square, with x we have square. We can't do this one. Okay. After this, what you will do, what they are saying you to prove, first you will take LHS, which is given sec 17 degree minus sin 73 degree. Now in this one, class 10, see, given is 17 degree. It is also okay, because sec 17 degree angle are same in here also, but here with sin we have 73 degree. So first we will convert this 73 angle to 17, 17. So what we will do, same thing we will do. We will write sin, then we will write 90 degree minus, here what we will write, we will subtract, subtract this one. So 8, 10 minus 3, 7, 8 minus 7, 1. So you have to write 17 here. Understood this one? After this, you know the formula that sin 90 degree minus theta equals to cos theta. So what you will do, in the next line, you will write sec 17 degree as it is, and in place of sin 19 degree minus 70 degree, you can write cos 17 degree. Why? You have to give reason also, because sin 90 degree minus theta will give you cos theta. Okay, so that is why here sin 90 minus 70, sin 90 minus 70, here sin 90 degree minus theta, it will convert to cos theta, means cos 70. Now sec is, in terms of some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black, in that one, sec is what? H by b, and cos is b by h. Okay, understood? Now h value is y and b value is root over y square minus h. Okay, h value is y, b value is root over y square minus x square. Again b value is y, root over y square minus x square, and h value is y. Understood up to here? Again what I have done, using Pythagoras theorem, first I am finding b, because in sin 17 degree it is given x by y, x is p and h is y. It means perpendicular and hypotenuse are x and y. We don't know what is the base. Using Pythagoras theorem, first I am finding base, which is root over y square minus x square. After that I will come to this proving part. In LHS it is given sec 17 degree minus sin 73 degree. I told you in the last class also that what you will do, first you have to convert all the angles in the same angle. This one is 17 given to you, this one is also 17, but this one is 73. So this one you will convert. How you will convert? First you will write LHS, then you will write sin, then 90 degree, and this 90 degree will subtract with 73 degree, it will give you 70. Whatever it will give you, that one you will write here. So 90 minus 17 degree. So formula of sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. It means cos 17 degree. Sec 17 degree is h by b, and cos 17 degree is b by h. H value is y, b value is root over y square minus x square, minus b value is root over y square minus x square. square and h value will be y. Okay, after this we have to take LCM. So I am doing here. So here we have y, here we have root over y square minus x square. LCM will be y root over y square minus x square because both are different. Now this LCM y root over y square minus x square will divide with which one? This one, root over y square minus x square. See, I am showing you. If we will write this LCM up and this denominator down, what will happen? Root over y square minus x square and root over y square minus x square will cancel. Only y will left. So this y will multiply with which y? This y. Okay, then give minus sign. Okay, again if you will do same thing, now your LCM will be same, y root over y square minus x square, but your denominator will change. Now this time denominator is y, so y cancel out, you are getting root over y square minus x square. Okay, and this root over y square minus x square will multiply with this one. So write 2 times root over minus x square. Root over y square minus x square. Again you have to write because 1 is already present here. Root over y square minus x square. Okay. After this, y into y square. Now you can see root over y square minus x square, root over y square minus x square. Same thing. So what you can write? You can write root over y square minus x square whole square because same thing you are getting 2 times. Okay. Now I am writing some quotient. Okay. Otherwise I would not be able to do this. Now see, root and square will cancel. Why? Because this root is for full and this square is for full. So what is left? Y square minus x square. And here down y root over minus x square. Now open the bracket, minus plus minus y square minus minus plus x square by root over y square minus x. Now plus y square minus y square will cancel out. You are getting x square by y root over y square minus x square. See, in RHS what you have? X square by y root over y square minus x square. Same thing you have. So what you will write? After that time come here, you will write x square by y root over y square minus x square. In the last time you will write LHS equals to RHS. Be careful class 10 when you are solving this one. In LCM you will get confused. So be careful when you are solving this part. Otherwise you will not get your answer properly. Copy this one. Class 10 see question number 6. Please read your book. It is given angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degree. Let us show that 1 plus tan A by tan B is equals to sec square A. So one more question, this type of question we have done in question number 3 when two angle sum is given as 90 degree. Means angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degree. This one is given and they are telling you to prove 1 plus tan A by B is equals to sec square A. So from here first I will find B value which I will get 90 degree minus angle A. Okay. In the last question number 3 we have done same. Now I am writing LHS only. Okay. You can go through the question. In RHS it is given sec square A. Okay. So in LHS you have 1 plus tan A by tan B. Okay. Now in place of angle B I can write 90 degree minus A because it is given already. So angle B value I am getting 90 degree minus A. So I am writing in place of B I am writing 90 degree minus A. Okay. Now tan 90 degree minus A, tan 90 degree minus theta will convert it to cot theta. Okay. So I can write cot theta here. Theta is A only. Now tan cot equals to 1 by tan. In chapter 3 we have done 23 we have done already that cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. Okay. So in place of cot A, I can write 1 by tan A. Now this one will reverse and it will give you tan A by 1. So tan A into tan A will give you tan square A. So I am getting 1 plus tan square A, which is nothing but sec square A. How? See this formula. Sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1. So what I am doing, I am taking minus tan square A this side, it will become plus tan square A. It means sec square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. Now see here, 1 plus tan square A. It means that in place of 1 plus tan square A, I can write sec square A. So that is why I am writing sec square A. And in RHS you have to prove this one only. Okay, and this formula we have done in chapter 23. So what we will write, LHS equals to RHS proof. Okay, complete this one. Now class 10, see question number 7 is written. Show that, please read the question number 7. Let us show that cosec square 22 degree, cot square 68 degree is equals to sin square 22 degree plus sin square 68 degree plus cot square 68 degree. You have to show that LHS equals to RHS. So first of all we will write LHS. So I am converting cosec square. So 90 degree minus 68 degree I will write. Why? Because when you subtract 90 degree with 22 degree, angle is 22 degree, then it will become 8, 10 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 68. It means that in this place you will write 68 degree and for 68 degree write as it is. Okay. Now cosec will change into sec, and since we have square I have to give square. So cot 68 degree. It is square. It is square here. Okay, and please write the reason. Cosec 90 degree minus theta will give sec theta. Okay. Now sec is 1 by cos square. 1 by cos sec. Theta is 1 by cos, and cot is cos by sin. Now you will ask why I am converting to sin and cos. If I will convert cot to tan, we will not be able to cancel anything. But if I will convert cot to cos and sin, and sec already converted to cos only, then I can cancel up and down. Okay, because cot theta is also cos by sin. Now you can see. Okay, first write the reason. Sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, and one more reason is cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Now which two will cancel? Cos square 68 degree, cos square 68 degree will cancel, and this square will come with both. Okay. Now what you are getting? 1 by sin square 68 degree. Now 1 by sin square 68 degree will be 1 by sin. It will be cosec. So you can write cosec square 68 degree. If you want to write reason, you can write here 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta equals to cosec. I am not writing because you know all this. Now you will take RHS. In RHS you have sin square 22 degree plus sin square 68 degree plus cot square 68 degree. Now convert this one. You will write sin square 90 degree minus 68 degree plus sin square 68 degree plus cot square 68 degree. Now you know sin will change to cos, so you will write cos square 68 degree sin square 68 degree plus cot square 68 degree. Now what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? See, sin square theta plus cos square theta, because both have plus sign. You can write 1 plus cot square theta. Please write the reason. What will be the reason? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin is cos is in first. It is in first and then it is sin is written. Does not mean that they both are Not same, because we have plus sign here, so sin square theta plus cos square theta will give you 1 only. And 1 plus cot square 68 degree means 1 plus cot theta again it will give you cosec square theta. Theta in place of theta we will write 68. What is the reason? Reason is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Not getting place here, so I am writing here, I am showing it here. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Now you have to find value of 1 plus cot square theta. So you will take minus this side, so it will become cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So in place of 1 plus cot square theta, you can write cosec square theta. That is why in place of 1 plus cot square 68 degree I am writing. So we can write cosec square 68 degree. Now you can see in LHS you are getting cosec square 68 degree. In RHS you are getting cosec square 68 degree. So what you will write? LHS equals to RHS proved. Okay. Class 10. Your homework is chapter 24, page 316, question number 589. And if you have any queries related to any sums, please mail me in the given email ID nilufar.sma@outlook.com, and by tomorrow submit your homework. Okay, thank you.